Welcome back to my channel. This is Inday Dory again, and now guys, we have a tour inside the cockfighting farm in Bohol, Philippines. So tayo lang. Naghanag ko no? Ayan si Kwa. So this is the entrance guys of the farm, and before we enter at the farm we have to wash our hands and feet for disinfectant so that the chickens will be safe. So we are now here inside the farm and we can see all the chickens here guys, the cockfighting chickens. Ayahay, hangin dito siya. Presko ba? Look at the shelter or the house of the chicken guys. It's very solid. Very many chicken. Uy, wow. Very many.
This gray.
Very nice. Oh my god. How many all?
280 chickens.
280 chicken. Oh.
I think so. No.
Oh.
This one over there. This sweater. Sweater. This one's gray.
Wow, very nice. Wow, the feet is
gray, same.
color blue. Look at the feet.
I think that thing. Okay, gray. Look at the same.
Hey,
The
this
same.
one? Oh. Who is living there?
That's from chicken. But fight chicken fight.
Right here, there?
The training.
Training.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Ano, i-train sa fighting.
After the training, went to certain ship fight.
Yeah, yeah.
Something lose, something win.
Ah.
Yeah.
How about the chicks, the small?
Okay.
Where? Over there?
Yeah.
The small? They are laying eggs.
You can cook the snake.
Oh. Each one, how much?
Huh?
How much? One.
No.
Expensive, right?
Very
Very expensive.
Mukha 10,000 eh.
15,000 one each.
Mahal sa mahal.
Mahal. From
Buy or sell chickens.
where? Mindanao?
Friend daddy somewhere.
Somewhere. Pang cockfight lang din.
Cockfight mahal pa yun.
Wow.
Make sure slow rain days.
Yeah.
Few days.
2 days na. Good job. Good job.
Because my daddy told me how to range of chicken.
Ah, yeah.
Study.
That's why you are studying. Daghana oy. All over there.
I like it.
There. Very, very. Tinlo kayo ba? Murag sinilhigan ilahang kuan. Kuman lagi ni panghaig tapay ni uban. Kanang ibabaw ba? Ano sa mga dari di ani
Payag ko po niya.
ana sila mag-away.
Oo, marag ka ng paring.
May saring sila. Hey guys, oh, dadaghang lubi. This is the place, guys, where the chicken will fight or test before sailing. If the chicken is strong. Uhod, ana. Okay na lagi ka?
Uy, ito mamay.
Oy!
Ayo.
May tao. What? Ay, ang sa daghana pa man din di ani. Oy. Sus Mariusip. Hello, overlooking kay dito oh. This is our farm, guys. Our farm kuno. Unsa na siya? Nagkuana nang itlog.
Breeding hen.
Ha?
Breeding hen daw. May ubang mga cage na namong ipang crossbreed. Kupahanan.
Ana sila mag-date. Day couple oh. Kaluoy mahagad ni bisag uwa way love ni mahagad lang ka sila. Nanan ni sila mga partner di ay. Ay kay matul manigbantay nak.
Okay.
Mabantayan sa inyong kuan ba?
May handa naman kadadlaw. Marot nga adlaw.
Mura ilang trabaho jud.
Oh, wala.
What we do here is go back.
This is the breeding center, guys, where the rooster and the hen are living together and produce eggs. Master na kayo ni Basti ani.
May milord eh.
Sakana. Di man ni ka igo ko sa kasako sa usak adlaw. Grabe lagi kita. Ay kana.
Itabayan na ito dito niya.
Abang lang ko sa ani lang puyo din eh.
Ay mama sa. Yun da.
Ay, oh. Grabe ang yang bye-bye ba.
Lagi. Di po man eh na diretso lang mo develop eh. Hinay po man.
Ay, hinay.
Mga puti.
Anam. Wow, sana all. Sana all my farm. Kay i-farm po to na ako to ang pawis. Pawis at dugo ang puhunan nito, oy. Ana ra po sila mangitlog ng ubos? Ari lang.
Nga mga harvest na mo. Na may season na lang ha. Pwede season, October, November, dapat itlog.
Amo na ilang season ganda.
Sako-sako lang yung mga itlog.
Asa? Kanon?
Pag gusto mo ba?
Ana ra sila mangitlog ng ubos.
Kaya pag
Wa di na butang nga pugaran.
ako kung gipiwan na mga sapling na country. Ganyan.
Naman lagi stage ni mo ani doon. Pwede tag mag-show ani.
Dahilayan.
Na may mong stage lagi, pwede tag mag-show di ani.
Ayan, saya dagkong mga forma ba?
Oh, dili ma-blow ang ano. Blue ang langit, ang sky blue. Naman lagi mong kamali gani mo manigdigi. Gilalin din niya, tayungan nagbutang ana.
Galing, gila yung ano siya pa.
Lagi ha?
Kamayan na mo.
Yan lagi. Yan lagi. Murag dayungan man gidada rin no. Yo kayo. Ha? Daghan oy kay katong nagkuan man to. Oh, nakakita bitaw ko. Pwede na tag palit ngani di ay no. Ya makapuyo na ka. Ayo. Ito yung bahay ko guys. Future husband na oranger.
Negative thoughts are poison that rise. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad.
Honeymoon lagi mo may.
Honeymoon lagi. Ano din mag-honeymoon ani?
So I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken. I got patience, one day at a time. It's how you operate a cadence. So flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up,
Hello, boss.
today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a
Yeah.
good day. Wake up,
Enjoy.
today's gonna be a good
Enjoy much.
Wake up, really gonna rise to the sun. Step 2, eat some good, some food in you. Step 3, grow hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing. Step 1, wake up, really gonna rise to the sun. Step 2, eat some good, some food in you. Step 3, grow hard about what you wanna be. Step 4,
Mare,
just do your thing.
okay sa muna. Mare kay kanang ako arkilahan re imuhang kanang native house ba ako arkilahan kay ari may mag-honeymoon.
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
Ibuk daan kay ari ko mag-honeymoon ani lamia nice lagi kayo mare mong kuan oy. Nice jud ang lugar.
Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal, you
Oh, ano ba?
take 'em. I try to pick one
Naji
thought,
kanang
have some
kuan.
concentration. And if I make a
Lugar nga.
mistake, it's called education.
Flat
Try to
or
do
flat.
this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up,
Sus matay maminyo ta ani dinhi mare makabuod jud tag triplet.
today's gonna be a
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello guys.
Yeah, shout out.
Chicken farm.
Yeah. I will upload this. I will upload in YouTube. Okay? Are you okay? Oh, yeah.
day's gonna be
I will upload this.
so life ain't easy,
Very nice
there's a
place.
reason, though.
I love.
Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo.
Butawan Farm.
Yes.
Other times I'm barely breathing, though. You always gotta fight
Oh,
and
there
hide
ni.
from the
Smile.
demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so
Ano
I'm
pa yung
fake
atop?
it till I make it.
Mabuhay! Yes! I will upload this. Okay lang? Yes. If you want to buy cockfighting chicken, guys, just comment below in Inday Doris vlog. And thank you for watching, and God bless us all, and bye for now. Thank you.